Hello business and investment buddies, or like I usually say, my familiar. It's Mike Irumaka here again, and in today's video we're going to be discussing copy trading in regards investing in the crypto market. So since this video is around copy trading specifically for the crypto market, we are going to have to start from scratch to explain what cryptocurrency trading is, the three major ways of actually trading cryptocurrency. This then will now lead us to what copy trading is, why copy trading actually exists, the risk involved with copy trading, and how to get started with copy trading. I will show you this particular one step by step, and then give you my personal verdict on what I think about copy trading. Is it something you want to do or not in regards investing in the crypto market? I want to actually let you know that I'm not an investment guru. I'm just an entrepreneur on an investment journey, and that's why I basically make videos around business and as well as investment. And if these two topics interest you, please do well to smash the like button and as well hit the subscribe button. And without much talk, guys, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go. Starting off this video with what is cryptocurrency. According to Google, cryptocurrency can be defined as a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than by a centralized authority, which is usually the banks. If this explanation is too bogus for you to understand, what Google is trying to actually say is that cryptocurrency is an online, or you can say digital currency, that is not maintained or controlled by anyone, either the government or the banks. Rather, it is maintained using a bunch of computer codes. One thing you need to take note of is that apart from the fact that your normal currency is physical and cryptocurrency is digital, one of the major differences between cryptocurrency and your normal currency is that your physical money is traded on the forex market, while cryptocurrency is being traded on the crypto market. Talking about cryptocurrency being traded on the crypto market, there are three major ways which you can trade cryptocurrency. One is by spot trading, and like the title says, spot, you're trading on the spot, you're trading based on current prices of a particular cryptocurrency. While the second method is by derivative trading, which involves you trading based on future projection of a particular cryptocurrency. While the third method is margin trading, which involves you borrowing money from a particular crypto broker or crypto exchange and adding it to your existing capital to place a trade on a particular cryptocurrency. And this is where copy trading falls under. And this leads us into a bigger question, which is, what is copy trading? The definition of the term copy trading is actually in the title. When you hear the word copy, it means to do what someone else is doing exactly the same way.
Pass now, 1, 2, 3.
So when it comes to cryptocurrency, when you hear the word copy trading, it means to give a crypto exchange or a crypto platform permission to copy the investment someone else is making in the crypto market. Usually it's going to be a margin trader. So when the margin trader makes a profit, you as well make a profit, and when the margin trader makes a loss, you as well make a loss. For us to truly understand the true potential of copy trading, we need to ask a very critical question, which is, why does copy trading actually exist in the crypto market? One of the major reasons why copy trading exists today is because the crypto market can be very volatile, and you could end up losing your money if you make the wrong investment. And this is what hinders many people from actually investing in the crypto market. But what if there was a way you could actually copy someone that's actually investing in the crypto market, where you relax while the person does all the whole hard work? So this is a feature most of these crypto platforms realized will help them gain more users. So they now decided to integrate it into their platform. As sweet as the term copy trading sound, you could actually lose money or lose your capital if you make use of a wrong copy trading platform, or if you copy the trade of someone that does not know what they are doing. And that's why I recommend that before you get started with copy trading, you do proper research and look for a platform that actually vets people before they integrate those people into their copy trading feature. So when you're copying someone on that platform, you know that you're copying someone that has sense and knows what they are doing. So now that we have cleared what cryptocurrency is all about, the different major ways of trading cryptocurrency, what copy trading is all about, and the risk involved in copy trading, we now need to go into proper on how to get started with copy trading and leveraging on it in making investment in the crypto market. The first step you need to take is to do research and find a good platform. And for this particular video, we are going to be making use of Bybit. And one of the benefits or reasons why I chose Bybit is because they have low risk, and they usually vet most of the guys they integrate into their copy trading feature. So if you're copying someone on Bybit, just know that you're copying someone with sense, and you're going to see that when I start making my copy trades on their platform. So now that we have figured out a platform which we are going to be using, the next step is now to sign up on the platform. My link to signing up on Bybit is in the description below. It's an affiliate link, meaning if you sign up using my link, I'm going to earn some commission. It's a way of you saying thank you to me for explaining copy trading to you. So sign up using my link, guys. The next step to now take is to fund your Bybit wallet address. And there are two ways which you can fund your Bybit account. One is using their P2P method. The second one is using their fiat method. And it's very, very seamless. Personally for me, I funded my account with $100 using their fiat method, and it was very, very, very easy. So once you have funded your account, guys, the next step to now take is to click on the button on top of their website, which is the copy trading button there, and it takes you to another page where you now get to see some of the coolest dudes that are very, very good trading the crypto market. As you can see on your screen, guys, there are some guys you cannot actually copy their trades again. Why? Because they have reached the maximum number of people that can follow them and copy their trade. So all you now have to do is to go through the Bybit copy trading feature or page, and then look for someone that you feel is good for you to copy. Personally for me, before I copied anybody on Bybit, I had to check how long they have been on Bybit, their win ratio, the number of people that are copying them before I ended up copying the person. So once you have found the person you want to copy, just click on the copy, that yellow copy button you're seeing there. Once you click on the button, it takes you to another page where you get to see more information and some details you need to put in before you now copy the person. Now on this page, you can now put in how much money you want to use to start copy trading, your take profit, and then your stop loss. So your take profit and stop loss are two very, very important things you need to put in Bybit so you don't end up losing your whole money. Your take profit is how many percent you want to pull out your money when that trader is on a profit, and then how many percent you want to pull out your money again when that trader is on a loss. So it's very, very important that you put in these two details. Personally for me, my take profit and my stop loss are very, very high, and then my take profit is very, very low. So I'm not looking at making much profit and I'm not looking at losing more money. So I make sure that I set them at a good amount before I actually execute any trade. One thing you need to take note of again is that you need to, once you fund your Bybit wallet address, you need to transfer the money from your spot account in your Bybit wallet to your derivative account and then to your copy trading account before you can now execute your copy trade. So this is very, very important, because even if you fund your Bybit account, you cannot still copy trade if your copy trading account is not funded. So you need to do this. So once you have put in these whole details, guys, the next step to now take is now click on that yellow button you're seeing there, and you're now getting ready to copy trade the person you feel like copy trading. My verdict on copy trading, I want to show you guys my results from the copy trade I placed on Bybit. So as you can see on your screen, as of the time of recording my screen on Bybit, there were some losses and then there are some profit and as well losses. So for the profit, I didn't pull out my money. It was late at night, so I didn't pull out my money. And then for the losses, I didn't want to still close my trade. I felt that this trader is good, so I want to still keep it going. So as of now, my screen you can see loss. So this is very, very important that know that you can lose money when it comes to copy trading, and as well you can make money. So make sure you make use of what you can afford to lose when making investments using copy trading. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have another video where I talked about how to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria, making use of Bamboo, and I believe you'll find that particular video interesting. Do well to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and keep being awesome, and see you on the next one. Deal.